So hi friends, in this video I have created a simple text editor using Python, and I've used this library for the GUI and stuff. So here is the source code. 90 or 80% of the coding has been done by ChatGPT. I've used ChatGPT to generate the codes, and I have just applied some of the basic logic that I have of programming and Python. And if I run this code, I just have to do Python text editor.py. This is the name of this file. Enter, and a window will be appearing. And then to open up a file, I can open any Python file that I want. Open. Then I can write my own codes in it, like okay, Control S for saving it, and then I can run the code by and hitting this by clicking run, and it will run the output in the command line itself. So you can run this in Windows. You can use this text editor if you want and get the source code or the source code from my GitHub page. I'll link that in the description. So like, this is a simple calculator, simple text editor. I can write a simple function like to a simple factorial question I'll be solving. So I've created a simple function with Python of factorial, and I'll find a factorial of 5. Let's see if it's work. Control S and I'll run it. No, it's not. Okay. Yeah, great. So I can use this for input and output stuff. So if you want this code, if you want the source code, you can get it from the GitHub page. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.